Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we've got some work to do on the truck today. We have to change an EGR Evap solenoid. So let's get the door open and get the hood up on the truck and take a look. Alright, so for those of you that don't know this truck, this is my 2000 GMC 2500HD. And today we are going to be going on this side of the engine once again, just like we did the last time, and we're going to change that EGR Evap solenoid. So let me get this air cleaner off and I'll show you what we're going to be doing here. Alright, so to get this air cleaner off, I'm going to take this plastic nut thing off here. Take off this breather hose and then just wiggle it off. Alright, so this is the Evap solenoid right here, and there's the problem. This hose is supposed to be right there. The hose connection snapped off. I think it's just from years and years of desert heat. I mean, you got to figure this truck is 20 years old, so you know, parts don't last forever. We've got these two nuts right here, which are 10 millimeter, I believe, and we got to take this wire connector off. And like I said, we just take this wire connector off here, and we'll be able to take this thing out. Alright, there's the old part right there. It's pretty old, pretty crusty, and that was definitely time to replace it. So, oh well, let's go get the new one. And here's a new one. There's the part number right there. In case you need to get this part, it's not hard to change, and it's not really that expensive. I'll show you the receipt here in a little bit. This is what the new solenoid looks like. You just take this thing and lose that. And there's that little hose connection that broke off right there. And then you got an O-ring on the bottom of it. And when you put it on, you just have to make sure that it seats all the way down. Alright, so put the studs back in, connect the wire, put the hose on, and there she is, she's done. And all I used was a 10 millimeter deep well socket, a 2-inch extension or 3-inch extension, and a 3/8 drive ratchet. Just remember, when you go to tighten these studs back down, you don't have to crank the shit out of them. They're just plastic, and that part will break up if you crank it down too tight. Alright, we're done. Doesn't take too long to change, but it's pretty important if you want to pass your emissions. So this truck will be going for emissions in April. So there it is, real quick and dirty. Alright, so here's my receipt from O'Reilly Auto Parts. and that's what I paid for it right there. It was $40 after tax and everything. I know that there's going to be people in the comments talking about ordering it online. You know, I'm not much for ordering things online. I'd rather just go to the store, pick it up, and that way I don't have to wait for whatever part it is to come in the mail. So, I mean, there are people that's all they do is order their parts online and whatnot, but I don't do things that way. So, I believe in keeping businesses in my town open, and this is a good way to do that. Alright guys, so like I said, it's real quick and dirty. You know, if you have parts like that need to be changed, it's worthwhile to do it yourself. It doesn't take that long, and it's way better than paying some mechanic hundreds of dollars to change the part for you. This thing, that's going in the trash. Alright, thanks for watching guys, and if you like this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel, punch the bell in the face for notifications, and don't forget to share these videos around. Alright, thanks for watching guys.